DIY how to make bedrolls for your action figures. Bedrolls are a cheap alternative to sleeping bags for your action figures since sleeping bags are hard to find. Let's get started. Tools you'll need for this project: a ruler, scissors, glue gun is optional. Supplies you'll need for this project: 8" by 12" felt sheets. You can find these real cheap in the store's fabric section. Any other material, elastic hairbands or elastic cord. We'll begin by selecting a felt sheet. I like this brown one. Pick your other fabric. I like this khaki fabric. Lay your felt on top of the other fabric and cut it to the size of your felt. You could also use a ruler to make your cuts cleaner. Pretty easy. Lay the felt down and place the other fabric on top. Fold both ends of the fabric onto the center. Start at the bottom of the fabric and roll it up. It helps to keep your roll tight. Hold the roll in your hand and use a hairband on both ends to keep it rolled up. To use, unroll and lay the felt down. Place your action figure on top and cover with the other fabric. Bedrolls don't usually include a pillow. Most of the time, a backpack is used. Bedrolls are easy to make, and you can make a dozen in no time. Shoutouts to Eric J. I love Pixar lamps too. And Paul, any suggestions on DIY projects? Let me know. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. It really helps this channel out. Follow me on social media. If you want to help this channel out, support me on Patreon. I'd really appreciate it. Drop a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.